Hi, this is Connie from Connie's Creations, and I'm here with my assistant.
Hello, I'm Jake from Peyton B and their friend.
And I got my second box from Mindful Souls.
Ooh.
So let's see, this is March 2024. So let's see what I got.
Oh boy.
A Mindful Souls card. And the little sticker, keep calm and no drama, with the meditating llama. Hey, I'm a
Wow.
poet and didn't even know it.
Yeah, really.
So, here we have a Buddha pillowcase. And that's kind of neat. Something different.
Shit, we should put that on my couch. That's cool.
Nah, your couch is already full with crap.
Ow. Well, I mean, there is a pillow that doesn't have a pillowcase.
Alright, so let's see what's in this little baggie. Necklace. And that is a wrapped raw clear quartz necklace.
Well, I know Peyton B loves clear quartz.
That's pretty cool. Alright, let's see what's next.
Oh, damn, that's a big one.
Yeah, that is
What?
red agate. I don't know how you say that. Agate circle crystal. Is that how you say that? Agate? Agate? I don't know. You have to excuse. English is not my mother tongue. Red agate circle crystal. That's what I'm going to call it. It does feel pretty cool, don't it? I think it's one of them palm thingies, that you rub for good luck. Don't rub it all out of good luck.
Ow, whoops.
Leave some for me.
Well, I need me some dang luck. Hell, you got more subscribers than me.
I have 90, I think, on my channel currently.
Yeah, I only got like
Another little
60.
baggie. Oh, and then here we have tiger eye bracelet. Protective.
Hey, you like tigers?
Yeah, tiger eye is one of my favorite stones next to amethyst and rose quartz. I like tiger eyes. Because I like tigers. Oh, well, as you can see, can you see? There's my tiger tattoo.
Oh,
So I
yes.
like anything tiger. So here's another little baggie. Let's see what's in here. Oh, pyrite. Fool's gold.
Fool's gold?
Yep,
Like from Identity V?
that is fool's gold.
I don't know, this doesn't look like fool's gold.
But that's what it's called, fool's gold. And then, last but not least, we have some sage. I have never even held one of these, had one of these, know what to do with this. I don't have a clue. It's called Dragon's Blood Sage with Wildflowers. And I think you're supposed to burn this or whatever, but light the sage stick and get to smudging your room. What?
I don't know. This reminds me of that one
Smudging.
South Park episode where
You walk around and I have no idea. I have to ask my bestie. She's used this stuff before.
your
On how,
bestie,
yes, on how you do this.
Mandy.
Yes. She's done this stuff before, but I've also told her that when I get this kind of stuff that I would give it to her. Because with my asthma, I don't know if that's a good idea for me to be burning this stuff in the house. I don't know.
Probably not.
My lungs may not like it. But anywho, this is all that was in that little box, and I like it.
Was it
Pretty
worth
cool. $40.
it? $40? I'd say it's not worth it.
Well, I'm skipping next month. I'm trying to get it where I get them quarterly, but I have to Google on how you do that because it wouldn't let me. I couldn't find it. They always hide this stuff. So I'm going to be YouTubing or Googling on how you switch your subscription to quarterly, and then I'm just going to get them 4 times a year. That'll be good enough for me.
Yeah.
But I do like this. I mean, this is cool. I like that.
I think I already rubbed all the luck out of it.
And then I like this here, but I think I'm going to cut this and restring it because this is too tight for me. And I may have to add a bead if I have any. If not, it'll just be looser, but this is like totally too tight for me.
Yeah.
But I like it. And this will go in my gemstone collection. I started a whole shelf on the entertainment center that has all my gemstones. And I actually may take this out of the necklace and add this to my collection.
What? What if I want to wear the necklace?
I would have to think about it really hard.
What? Why? I think it's fashionable.
I guess we'll see. Anyways, this concludes our unboxing of the Mindful Souls March 2024 box. So if you liked it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, like, whatever, and leave some comments if you have any. We'll see you next time. Auf Wiedersehen. Arrivederci. Adios. Tschüss. Mach's gut. Bis später. And all that good stuff.
Yeah.